Hello to all, welcome back to the channel. What you're looking at here is the Mi TWS or True Wireless Earphones. Now they have been priced at Rs 3,999 and for that it seems really interesting. But there are a few complaints that I have and I'm gonna address them in this video itself. Hello to all, I'm Pritham from TechnoCaptain747. Let's get this video started. First things first, let's quickly unbox the Mi TWS. The face of the box has all the necessary details of the earphones and the back contains the price, manufacturing details and obviously the origin of the earphones, which is from China. Pulling out the zip, we can see the TWS, which is wrapped in plastic, and below it lies the small box which contains the USB-C cable to charge up the TWS, and it also contains some paperwork. The TWS comes in a matte white finish, charging case, and opening up the lid we can see the two left and right earphones resting inside the case itself. Now let's talk about the earphones themselves. It comes with a case that has its own battery, and inside them the earphones have their individual battery, which can be charged up by putting them into the case. They kinda look like the AirPods to be honest, but they have flatter and slightly bigger in terms of the strips that go down. But the earpieces themselves look like the AirPods, and for comparison I have the non-pro version of the AirPods, and if I just place them to side, you can see in terms of the looks they are almost identical as far as the design goes, but Xiaomi has managed to create the TWS at a price which is 1/3 of the Apple AirPods. Now they seem to have the same fit as the Apple AirPods, so for my ears they are not the greatest fit. They do fit and sit in there, but if I was doing any kind of activity they feel kind of loose and I feel as if they are going to fall off my ears, and that's not the most comfortable feeling to have. So universally for most ears these will be a good fit, but if you have large ears or extremely small ears, these may not be the best fit for you. Now the TWS has the LHDC, which is a low latency high definition audio codec, which allows this to stream audio at 900 kilobits per second, which is much more than the usual 300 kilobits per second that you get with standard audio codec on most devices. So for the battery life, on the case of the Mi wireless earphones, you get about 250 mAh, which as on the earphones themselves you get about 30 mAh on each of the earbuds, which allows for usage time of roughly 4 hours if you're listening to music, and then you can quickly pop them into the case to charge them up. So just like many other wireless earphones, these Mi earphones also have some sensors on them, and you can now automatically play or pause the music when you put them in your ears or remove them. Basically, when you remove them from your ears, the music or the video you're streaming will pause and soon resume when you pop them back into your ears. Plus, you can tap on it to play music, play or pause music, or activate voice assistant. For those who are wondering, these are equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, so you can connect it to multiple devices. You also get a fairly decent range, so roughly about 30 feet, or any major obstacles, these will work fine if you have an open line of sight. Also, what I found is the overall audio volume of the TWS is fairly good, and the loudness of the earphones are fairly impressive. So to conclude things, the Mi True Wireless earphones are an amazing pair of earphones for the price. They fit perfectly for most of the ears, the audio quality is impressive, battery life is average, and if you're looking for a good pair of wireless earphones around 4,000 rupees, then definitely these are a good choice. You have sensors and a good overall sound and range. But in the end, these are made in China, so do consider some other brands before trying them out. With that being said, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button if you found this video helpful.